wished on a dragon scale, and that's what started Dragon Tales. Around the room the dragons flew, but Emmy and Max knew what to do. They climbed on the backs of their dragon friends. Now the adventures never end. Dragon Tales, it's almost time for Dragon Tales. Come along, take my hand, let's all go to Dragonland.
Welcome to the place where words come alive.
Let's build a word. Word world. Jump to the beat.
Clap your hands in the air.
Let's build a word. Word world.
We've got friends of every size, building words before our eyes. Nothing's better than a letter. They hold our world together.
With dog and duck
And pig and sheep, there's always a surprise. Welcome to our world. Word world. It's a beautiful world.
Cut. First, we have two logos. Second, we made another color blooper. Third, we made another background color blooper. Fourth, two pieces of music are playing in the background. Fifth, we have two old logos looking for jobs. And sixth, we have 6 Angry Birds characters looking for jobs.
Bruh.
STS Love and Robert's Bakery?
Уриюстен андига апострофе сриплачемен сбичауси таритинкин кабоутело окантастя в Донки Конг приме.
They're with one of your security guards, your logo mascot helper and trainer, Screen Gems, BND, Studio Canal, one of your in-action men, your cooker, and your logo mascot helper, cameraman helper, director's helper, and planner.
Алса, я урфирстант сечонт чамерамен, я уркуин элперсант чамераомен, томурьяв яур сечурита гуарц, анев яур элперс, ант яур фаурчлеанер эльпинг нельван ост нельвана феут, алса, чарусистери.
And your 6th in-action man is hosting a $1,971,000 contest on eating 936 breakfast chicken sandwiches from Tony's Breakfast House. He's with your 7th, 8th, and 9th in-action men, your 3rd silver in-action man, Piston Hondo, Ahmed Khan. Another one of your security guards, Fred, Jackson Storm, your 3rd co-clapboard guy, Annoying Jason, Bonnie Collins, Tampa Bay Lightning, and Vegas Golden Knights. We got the footage.
The colors are from the Wallace and Roman logo. The background has the colors from the logo of ATV Yorkshire, and the pieces of music are the theme songs of Dragon Tales and Word World. Those were under Dragon's Fall.
Hi, I'm the 1982 Toronto Maple Leafs logo.
And I'm the 1993 Florida Panthers logo, and we're logo mascot helpers.
I'm Stella. I'm Poppy. I'm Willow. I'm Dahila.
That's Terrence, and I'm Bubbles, and we're logo mascots and footage keepers.
I think it would taste like bananas.
Name a logo talked about by CCG Films in his refurbished Logo Evolution series. Just look in the mirror. Bruh, can you at least try? You were saying?
Oh, this is gonna be a long day.
Hello. I'm PBS Kids, and this is the 936 Breakfast Chicken Sandwiches Contest. Brought to you by Tony's Breakfast House. The prize is $1,971,000. But how I wished Mickey Mouse Mixed Up Adventures M was here. I'll replace him for now. Besides, I can do a good impression of him. Fine. Go ahead, Tampa Bay Lightning. First off, we have 3 Mountain Dew flavors, being Mountain Dew Cake Smash, Mountain Dew Liberty Brew, and Mountain Dew Whiteout. Second off, we have 2 Pepsi flavors, being Pepsi Blue, and Diet Pepsi. Third off, we have 3 old logos, being 2011 Porter Robinson, Asahi National Broadcasting, and Svensk Film Industry. Fourth off, we have two logos in Logo Battles by Heth the TriStar and Two Stupid Dogs Fan 2007. These being the 1998 on-screen Miramax Films logos, and the 2003 Viva Films logo. Fifth off, we have four logos from Rob Gio 0407L's old logo history series, being Lenovo, WWE, Minecraft, and IBM. Sixth off, we have five logos from Logo History 2005, being SMG4, Cracker Barrel, Time Warner Cable, NFL, and Zay Carlos. Seventh off, we have two characters from Mega Man 10, being Sheep Man and Blade Man. Eighth off, we have two Kirby villains, being Magalore and Queen Sectonia. Ninth off, we have three small YouTubers, being Robert's Reverse Channel, Robert's Slow-Mo Channel, and The Future Godfather. 10th off, we have two YouTubers that Terragonite loves, being Dan TDM, and Popular MMOs. 11th off, we have one logo from Peter John's Logo History W series, being Acer. 12th off, we have two recolored logos, being Orange Acer, and Purple Acer. Last off, we have 8 replacements in Mickey Mouse Mixed Up Adventures logo bloopers, these being Boyfriend, Girlfriend, Gus the Groundhog, The Hammer Suit, Venusaur, Disney XD, Disney Jr., and Sunkus Hartford W. Sorry, by W, I meant Whalers. Oh. Okay. Take 37.